Good day, this is Eric, and today I'm going to show you on how to work on your first JavaScript. JavaScript, remember, is a program of how we're going to make our web pages with a behavior. So Java is different from JavaScript in terms of its concept and design. So way back in, I think, in 1995, JavaScript was invented. So to do that one, you could insert your JavaScript within this the head tag with the tag called the script. Okay, so everything here will be your JavaScript commands within these tags. You could do that one or within the body. So within the body, for example, I would like to display something like my name. So to do that one, of course, it requires you to have your methods. So let's have a button, for example, here. So button tag. Okay, so button tag would have a type of button would be, of course, it's a button. So let us use button here. Then what happens when I click this button? So to click that button would be on click. Okay, that's the command. On click equals to um, this method called document is to where you will get that element. So whatever be that element, that's ID. Okay, get by ID. And what would be that element we would like to get? Say alias. Okay, then into our HTML. Now if I'm going to just simply get a particular element of that ID and display something like my name, say Rico. Okay, then let us see. So don't forget that one. Then let's create an ID within a tag. So for example, within a tag called paragraph, then that ID would be, let's say, whatever the specified ID here. Then let's have the end tag for that. So this would be our first JavaScript. So on click document get element by ID. Let's save that one into our JavaScript JS. Then let's run the first JavaScript. So if I'm going to click, I don't have any label, but if I'm going to label that one, I could place in here something like my label for my button would be, of course, here. You need to put the end tag now. Say, click me to show my name, something like that. And don't forget to, of course, don't forget to end the tag within that button. Okay. Of course, I suggest use VS Code or Sublime to work onto your outputs. So something like that. Then click show my name. So that's it. Or you could have something instead of this one. You could have your script tag here, that one, then terminate that script tag with this syntax. Then you could get in same as this one if you would want to. You type in here. Okay, but this time if you would like to get the date, for example, it's a function called date, built-in function. Then instead of button, we got this on click command here that would allow us to get the date. Okay, so if you would like to get the date for this computer, then we could do something like this, but you don't need to specify now for the on click here. Just simply type in document, something like this. Then of course you don't need any more, of course, or whatever be your script. So document that get element by id. Then of course you need to specify again the class name. So let's say I would like to get in my class name here within, if you have your tag here, then that would be your class name in this method. So if we would like to get in the date of the computer, let us try first this code. So as you can see, it shows immediately our uh, date and time. Or if you wanted to with a button, just simply replace everything here, get this one and put in here. Okay, that one. So I could put in here something like Rico Mambo. So let's try. So it's displays Rico Mambo with this code, and also when I click, let's say if you would like to get the date and time, so save that one. Then let us run our JavaScript. So click me to show my date and time. So this is simply how to work onto your JavaScript in our HTML. So this would allow us to have a behavior of your web page. So if you're a web developer, you need to know JavaScript. But thank you.